working on the dart. Monday, Labor Day, not supposed to be working, but we are. We're putting down some soundproofing material right now. So I've got one piece in already right there, and Dakota is kind of shaping out the pieces for his side. This is just supposed to help with sound deadening and heat resistance, and hopefully make it a little bit more of a comfortable ride. So sit back and relax as we put down the material. So I have this roller right here that's supposed to help go over and flatten out the material, but I'm finding that this rounded end of the screwdriver works a little bit better for getting into the grooves. So anyway, we'll just keep at it. So terrible, actually.
That's when you cut some more.
So I cut out the spot for the seatbelt mount to go in there. That was actually pretty easy, so I was kind of concerned that once the material was down it might be kind of hard to cut, but that went pretty easy. Nice. Alright, I'm going to start on the next row. So I'm out working on the Dodge Dart today, and what is that sound from the trunk? What's going on? Oh my goodness.
Oh, hello there. I just woke up from a nap. For the past month, we've been working on putting down killmat, which is a sound deadening material. Also, it's very good insulator as well. So we've been working on putting in all the nooks and crannies and keeping the car insulated and sound out.
Yep, I'm going to show you what we did. So as you can see, the trunk, that's why we couldn't hear Dakota's muffled screams. That we did the wheel wells, the floor pan, up under the dash, and yes, even inside the doors. It was actually pretty easy to put in. It's got a tar backing, so it sticks really well. We cleaned all the surfaces with water and a rag and dried it all. And this is what we used right here. So you can get in here and you can see it. So it's 50 mil, 50 square feet, 47 sheets of this killmat stuff. And 2 boxes did our entire car. I actually purchased 3 thinking that it would take more. I had considered doing like the bottom of the deck lid, but I probably won't do that. I think what we've got now is where we're going to stay. So hopefully this will make a difference and improve the quality of the ride and keeping out road noise and just keeping the AC in, which is very important here in Arizona. So what did you think, Dakota?
Well, after putting on all the killmat, it's very easy to do it. It's just kind of time consuming, but it's very easy. It's kind of fun actually too, putting on all the sheets and seeing all the progress that we make every time you put down a sheet. 'Cause these sheets are like pretty big.
Yeah.
So.
And it actually does make a pretty good difference. Let's see if I can show you real quick here. So here you go. So, it does muffle it quite a bit, and again, hoping that it's going to make a big difference. So next up is, now that we've got the killmat down, we're actually going to work on the convertible top. So that should be pretty fun. Dakota and I are going to do it. We might need the help of one more adult to reach the high places, so we shall see. All right, so we'll see you next time.
Wait, what are you doing? Wait.